So we just lost power. We don't know what the heck's going on. This thing's flopping everywhere. We just got a big gust of wind just now. Everything's flopping everywhere. A stick hit me, I guess. I don't know. This is a weird situation. My maple tree's going crazy right now, but this thing is just in my face pretty much the whole time. And we lost power. We don't know what we're gonna do. We're probably not gonna do anything about it until it comes back on. Our neighbors have generators on, so that's what you might be hearing. But for now, everything's pretty chill. Nothing too bad, nothing too crazy. It's just kind of in the moment, I guess.